In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter a record timeline in HubSpot. Hi everyone! If you've ever felt overwhelmed by a long list of contacts or deals, this walkthrough will help you zero in on exactly what matters most. First, head to the Contacts area in your HubSpot account. This is where you'll see your main list of records. At the top of that list, look for the Advanced Filters option. Clicking this opens up a powerful panel that lets you narrow the records you're looking at, so you can focus your attention on the timelines that are truly relevant. Now, let's choose your filter criteria. Think of this as telling HubSpot what kind of records you want to see. Maybe you want to look at contacts who have recently engaged with your emails, or those with a high priority, or people who converted on a specific form. The idea is to define the kind of interactions or attributes that make a record worth your time right now. Next, click Add Filter. You'll be presented with a list of available properties. You'll see options like Contact Activity, Contact Priority, and First Conversion, along with many others depending on your setup. Each property represents a piece of data about your records. Contact Activity can help you find people who opened an email or visited a page. Contact Priority can surface your most important contacts. First Conversion points to the first form or offer that turned a visitor into a known contact. Once you've picked a property, set the condition and value to match what you're looking for. For example, you might choose Contact Activity, set the condition to occurred within, and then pick a time frame like the last 30 days. Or choose Contact Priority and set it to is any of, then select the levels that matter. The condition you choose tells HubSpot how to evaluate the property, while the value narrows it down to the specifics. When you're satisfied, apply the filter. Your list updates immediately, and now you're viewing just the records that fit your criteria. This makes each record's timeline far more focused, so when you open a contact, you're looking at interactions that align with your goals, not noise. That's it. With advanced filters and thoughtful criteria, you can quickly hone in on the most important interactions and keep your workflow clean and efficient. If this helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical HubSpot walkthroughs.